Materialistic, chasing all the stars that are off in the distance. I guess you are too fly for spaceships, but I just wish you had a little more patience before you jump into another relationship and take a cruise. Not even the Titanic was unsinkable, so I hope you take precaution before you jump aboard. But it's ocean floors, treading on water as you swim ashore. And I'll be there as soon as you arrive. And maybe this time me and you will collide, or maybe this time will be our last time going to the beachside trying to catch a fish on a line. But this is all wishful thinking if you don't recognize what the chorus is singing.
Girl, you're so fine, but you won't take the time to realize that you don't have to read between the lines. Just look into my eyes.
All for one and one for me, cause what you got, that's what I need. Sleep and dream, take heed indeed, cause to get you, girl, I've done misdeeds unheard of in the darkest corners. Beats left dead for the carcass mourners. Heartless warning, but you can change me, and if you can't, then you're not to blame. See, you'll see more stable faces. One horse town and we're off the races, to anger racists with our embraces and bone in places that can't displace us. Then break up, call me crazy, call me angry, call me lazy. You look past my mental baggage, I'll look past your station wagon.
Girl, you're so fine, but you won't take the time to realize that you don't have to read between the lines. Just look into my eyes. Hold up, in the M5 driving home. Messed up thing about it, I'm alone. Dang, looking at the car street adjacent. Guess you're invisible, I might as well face it. Now I'm feeling miserable, a pitiful statement. Got me thinking that I might want a replacement. Spirits at the bottom like I'm down in the basement, but I know a change is coming, I just gotta be patient. Opposite of what my mind is saying. You best be glad that I'm not obeying. Trying to remember who you are to me. The love we forsook is so hard to reach, girl. I'm just hoping that you start to see. Over time you became such a part of me. I just need you to help me win this fight, and I know that we can make it right. Girl, you're so fine, but you won't take the time to realize that you don't have to read between the lines. Just look into my eyes. Girl, you're so fine, but you won't take the time to realize that you don't have to read between the lines. Just look into my eyes.